Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Hi, I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Welcome to 415 Martin Road in Henrietta, a beautiful farmhouse with 5 acres. So let's take a tour. This country farmhouse welcomes you with a spacious living room, with a picture window, gorgeous hardwood floors, and an adjacent office, leading to an entertainment-sized dining room with porch access, and a white and bright eat-in kitchen with new tile floors, plus an adjacent full bathroom, and a laundry with built-in cubbies and deck access. While the upstairs features 4 spacious bedrooms, a full bathroom, and a walk-up attic with great potential. This farmhouse is complemented by a scenic red barn and 2 detached garages. Enjoy countryside views from a wraparound deck overlooking the 5 acres.
This is beautiful Menin Ponds Park.
This is the largest park in Monroe County with over 2,500 acres of scenic ponds, groomed hiking trails, and pavilions for picnics. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 415 Martin Road in Henrietta, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!